King's Rochester STEM Club. So every week we're going to be doing a different experiment, and you're going to try it throughout the week, and then you're going to see what happens to your experiment, and then we're going to explain why the following week, so what's gone on. So the first one that we're going to do, we need an egg. We do need quite a lot of vinegar, so it just depends how much you've got in your house, whether you can have a go at this one. This is just normal malt vinegar that you put on your fish and chips, and then you also need a jar or a cup, or just basically a container, preferably with a lid if you can. So I've just got an old jam jar. Okay, so like I say, you're going to have a go at this every week, and then you're going to come back and see the science behind what's gone on and why this has occurred, whatever happens. I'm not going to tell you what happens, so you have to find out. And then we'll look at why it might have happened, and you can share pictures or videos of what you've done. So the first thing I'm going to do is very carefully put my egg into the jar, and then I'm going to get my vinegar, and I'm going to pour this over the top of my egg. Just like that, try and make sure that I cover the egg if possible. Now that's going to be dependent on how much vinegar you've got available. Make sure you check with whoever's stuff it is first before you start actually doing anything. We need to make sure that there is a bit of a gap at the top of that, above the egg. So don't fill it right to the top, we just want it to cover our egg. And then the next thing we're going to do is quite simply put the lid on top, seal it like that, and then we're going to leave it for 2 days. So we're aiming to leave it for 2 days. And after 2 days, we'll come back and have a look and see what's happened to our egg and why. So don't take it out, but every day you can have a little look and see what you can see happening to your egg. And then you can try it and have a look and see. And like I say, after 2 days, we'll come back to it and see exactly what has happened. So good luck, and see as well, while that's going on, if you can, without looking it up, try not to rely on Google. See if you can use your scientific knowledge from your lessons. Try and work out what happens to the egg and why, and you can take a picture of what you've done, add an answer, try and come up with an answer to what you think the answer is. Why has whatever happened to the egg, and we'll see if anyone has managed to guess it correctly or got it completely right. So happy science activities, and we'll see you next week.